Right. Hey everybody. All right, today we're going to make the killer bug pattern. I have a scud size 10 in the vise. I just have some UTC 70 thread. We're going to use some copper wire, and today I'm going to use the Semperfli Dirty Bug Yarn shrimp color. You of course can use dubbing, but I'm going to use this today. And so the first step is just tie in some thread, and then tie in your piece of copper wire all the way down the shank, kind of as far as we can go. Okay, good. All right, that looks good. So I'm gonna bring in my dirty bug yarn here. This stuff's great. If I can, I like to do the tag end underneath. Let's get started. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna put a little taper on the body here. Each end is gonna be slightly smaller, and then try to make the middle the thickest. Goes really quickly using this dirty bug yarn. All right, let's see here. I think that looks pretty good to me. All right, so now I'm gonna lock that in with my thread here. All right, a couple over, a couple under, just lock it in place here. All right, great. All right, so now I like to run the thread sort of sparsely over the body. It's a little strength. And make a few turns behind the eyelet. All right, great. And now we're going to adjust our fly just a hair here so I can counter wrap it. Alrighty, now once we got it to the end, I'll lock it in place, a couple turns on each side. Alright. Then, see if we can helicopter it off. Great. Alright, just a couple whip finishes and we are done. Alrighty, there we go.